Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the last exercise, that is exercise 9.5 of chapter 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities. So before we begin with the exercise, I'd like to explain you the identities that will be used in this exercise. It was already given in the previous documents that I have given to you. I just like to remind you the important standard identities. First one is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is one. Second one is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. You can see this both are similar, only when there is plus, this is plus, and when this is minus here, it becomes minus, and others are same. Then we have another one, a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b, or vice versa. Apart from this, we have one more identity in this exercise, which is x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So you have to remember these four identities which you will be using in the exercise. So when you start writing the exercise, I would like you to write this one in the beginning, so that it will be helpful for you. Now let's begin with the exercise, that is exercise 9.5. So let's begin with the first question of the exercise. It's given, use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. So let's see question number 1. We have to use the identity. So first one is given as x plus 3 into x plus 3. If it is not mentioned that use identity, we could have just multiplied this, but here it's given use of identity. See, x plus 3 into x plus 3. Can we not write it as x plus 3 whole square? Right? Because it's multiplied with itself 2 times. Now, is it not in the form a plus b whole square? That means a square, this is the a, this is the b, plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? So this is the form a square plus 2ab, because this is the a, this is the b, and plus b square. Now we'll just simplify this. X square plus 2 3s are 6x plus 3 square is 9. No like terms are here, so this is my solution. Okay, I'd like to show you few more here. One is question number 3. I'll show you number 3 here. Let's show you this number 3. Question number 3 is given as 2a minus 7. That is again 2a minus 7. So 2a minus 7, 2a minus 7. I can write it as this. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square, right? This is the a and this is the b here. So that is the second identity. A square, this whole thing, okay? Minus 2 into a, this is the a, into b, plus b square, this is the b, so b square. 2a square means 2a into 2a will be 4a square, minus 2 2s are 4, 7s are 28a, plus 7 square is equal to 49. So this is the solution. So in this way, using in the whole other sums that is given here, both the identities are being used, first one and the second one. And you might also find the third one, that is a square minus b square. So you will try this one, using the identities that I have written down. You will try to solve the sum. So your homework will be the remaining sums of question number 1. So from question number 1, the remaining sums. So I'm just writing down this one. I'm not writing all the numbers. So question number 1, the remaining sums are your homework. I have shown 2 for you. Now let us move on to the next question, that is question number 2. So what is given in question number 2? Use the identity. The identity is mentioned for this. X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b, the fourth one that I had written down for you all. So this I have to use to find the following products. So number 1 is given as x plus 3 into x plus 7. In this question, this is the x, this is the x, and from this is the a and this is the b. So which will be equal to this type of this? So x square, x is already x here, Okay, a plus b, this is the a and this is the b. So 3 plus 7 into x. Okay, a into b, that is 3 into 7. Okay, so x square, plus 3 plus 7, 10x plus 7 3s are 21. No like terms, so this is my solution. Okay, I can show you some more here. Let me show you number 3. Okay, show you this one. Number 3 is given as 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. Here these two are same, that means this is the x, this is the a and this is the b. Now you might think here is its plus, so I might say that can it be written as 4x plus minus 5? Yes, and this also can be written as 4x plus minus 1. Minus 5 is a and minus 1 is b. So x square, that is, this is x square plus a plus b into x, that is 4x, plus a into b. A into b is, I am just writing down here, minus 5 into minus 1. Okay, so 4x square means 16x square plus minus 5 minus 1 will be equal to how much? Minus 6. So minus 6 into 4x plus 5 minus 5 into minus 1 will be plus 5. Okay, 16x square minus 24x plus 5, and this is your solution. So using this identity you have to solve the remaining sums. That will be your homework. So from question number 2, homework will be 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If you have any doubt you can let me know, I'll help with that sum. But same identity and same way you can use this identity. It's already mentioned that you have to use this identity for this sum, so you can obviously try doing this. Now let us move on to the next question, that is 3. So what is given in question number 3? Find the following squares by using the identities. So first one is given as b minus 7 whole square using identity. So b minus, this is a minus b whole square form, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Done. So b square minus 2 7s are 14b plus 49. No like terms, so this is your solution. Similarly, if I show you number 2, xy plus 3z whole square. Okay, so this is a, this is b, a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this will be equal to x square y square plus this 2 3s are 6xyz plus 9z square. I'm sorry about the background noise. I hope that's not much disturbing. So this is your solution. So in this way you have to use the given identities, any of the identities, and find out the solution. So you can try the remaining sums as your homework from question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Please do not worry, just use the suitable identity and do the calculation. Okay, now next question is simplify, that is question number 4. Let me show you question number 4. So what's given in question number 4? 1, simplify a square minus b square. This, now see, this is a, this whole thing is a and this is b and this is the square. So a minus b whole square. So a square, because this is already a, okay, minus 2ab, this is the a, this is the b, plus b square. You just have to simplify. This is a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4, and hence this is your solution. I'll show you a few more. Let me show you number 2. 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. Two things. I can use it in a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, or this can be my a square minus b square term. So a plus b, a minus b, I can do anything. So let me show you by a plus b whole square term itself. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this minus, here comes a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So this is the solution here. Let's solve it. 4x square plus 2 to the 4, 5 is the 20x plus 25, okay, minus 4x square minus 20x plus 25. Let's open the bracket. 4x square plus 20x plus 25 minus 4x square minus minus plus 20x plus minus minus 25. Let's see if there are like terms. Obviously 4x square minus 4x square, it will be 0. 20x plus 20x, okay, and plus 25 minus 25 will be also equal to 0. I'm sorry. So what remains? 20x plus 20x will be equal to 40x, and this is your solution. So in this way you can try the remaining sums as your homework from this question number 4, that is simplifying. Just write down here that homework from question number 4, the remaining sums. Okay, so I hope you will be able to try this one. If you have any doubt, you will let me know. Now we have question number 5, 6, 7 and 8, which I will be giving in the next video. For today's video, you'll have only this part till question number 4. The next few questions I'll be giving in the next video. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I hope the explanation was helpful. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.